Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily change the language in Perplexity. There are two areas that we are going to tackle in this video. So there is a language for the user interface, which is the menu, the link that you see on Perplexity. And then there is also the language that is being used by the AI to answer your query. So let's start with changing the language interface. What you need to do is you have to navigate to the settings page. And then on the language section, you can select the language that you prefer to see on Perplexity. So in this case, I'm using English, but I could switch to a different language. They actually have plenty of options, although not all languages are covered here, but I think these options are enough for the vast majority of population. Now, I'm going to use Spanish or Espanol, and immediately the interface will change the language. So it's no longer in English. You can see that it is definitely Spanish, no longer English. Now, that's for the interface. How about the AI response? Now, that's very interesting because technically, if you are asking a question with one language, for example, if you're asking a question in Japanese, then the answer will also be in Japanese. But you could actually specify the language that you want the AI to respond, even though the input might be using a different language. In order to do that, you have to navigate to the profile menu. And then here, under the preferred response language, it is automatic by default, but we can change that to something that is different. So I want to try maybe, let's try Norwegian, which I have never heard or never see, but let's click save. Now, I'm going to create a new thread, and I want to ask about what is the latest AI news this week. Okay, it is searching on the internet, and I just need to wait until it finishes. And as you can see, it is definitely not English. This is Norwegian language, and I don't understand, but that's the setting that I set for the answer. So there you go. That's how you can switch a language in Perplexity, both for interface and the AI response. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.